Just because a thing entertains you, tastes good to you, feels good to you, invites you in, looks good to you, doesn't mean it's good for you. Walk in higher discernment and live your power. Vibrating higher daily is a lifelong practice, both private and collective. Once you have become in tune with what feeds you and what drains you, you become empowered to choose what impacts your daily life. As we collectively gain this awareness and mindset, social change becomes possible. We can change the game. Power used for vibrational control has been the cause of many problems in the world. More, bigger, and faster are not always better, and they are not always in alignment with the Earth's natural rhythms or with the good vibrations that comfort and nurtures us. Corrupted power disrupts the flow of high vibration.